is our room. Wow, look at the selection. Whoa. Here we go.
Whoa! Man down.
Man down. Still available. Ooh.
Shaken, not stirred.
That might not be good. Open that a little bit easier.
Wah, la la la, la la la, la la la, la.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
I think I'll go enter in the bedroom.
I'll open the door for you.
Here's our tropical view. See that down there? That was our room last year. That's where we were. Right there. This is where we are this year. And we're gonna go, I thought, into the bedroom. Or we'll go in the living room then. Let's go in the living room.
I'll just open the door.
We'll go in the living room door. And then we'll go out the bedroom door.
Oh, we got a little teddy bear.
Came in the living room door, went out the dining room door.
Oh, look at that. Happy anniversary. Baboons! Baboons! That's too bad I couldn't
Baby
get
boy
that
got baboons, baby boy.
That's too bad I can't get that bear at home.
I'll get that bear.
Well, not full of hair. A little couch in here.
It won't let me out.
Little USB port. Lights.
What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Let's go check out the shower. La di da di da di da. Just doesn't get any better than this.
I keep my stiffeners in my shoes.